All right, so here's your stock air box. I have an aftermarket cold air, ram air, whatever you want to call it. A lot of good sound with the aftermarket one, worth the investment if you want to do it. But I can't confirm if you're going to get more sound removing this part, but I kind of wanted to show you what it's going to take. So your air comes in through your grill here, comes in through here, and this vents down through this thing right here on the stock. Now, not on the stock, it flows in here, this AEM shield. Now you can go get a K&N and it's totally open, but I chose to go with the dry filter rather than an oiled filter. Anyways, so your air's coming in through here. This is where your filter is. And so the filter is obviously in here. You flip down these little two switches, then you can pull your filter out, and there's nothing in here. So the part you're talking about is this here. The way this is actuated, it's spring actuated. Let me see if I can get a light in here. So if you push in the middle here, let's see, if you push in the middle here, this opens up, and it opens up, let's see if I can get it, there you can see it now. It opens up into, so what you're looking at is the inside of it, and you see right there at the top, there's a key or a keyhole, and then right to the right of it, that's the opening where you need to twist and it'll pull out. You can see the inside of it. So where I'm looking at is if you're looking down through this pipe, it's down here. So the way you're gonna wanna take that out is, I put it on the ground. Here, what I do is I take a pair of pliers. I wouldn't stick them through these holes because these are pretty flimsy. But what I'll do is I'll stick them through here. What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to use a lot of force, and you're gonna have to push down and turn to loosen. So as you push down, let's try that again. As you push down and turn, it'll finally turn. Take some force. Then you just gotta line it up with the little keyhole, and then this thing just pops out, just like that. And now it's out. So you can kind of see more of what the key on the top looks like.